Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about the extrema. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to find first the derivative of f with respect to x and first the derivative of f with respect to y. This one we have 2x, so we just apply the power rule of the derivative. So that should be like this. So this one we don't have s, so you got number 0. This one that is about number 2 with 1 over s. First the derivative of this one we have negative 1 over s squared. So this one we have negative number 2 over s squared. This one we don't have s, so you got number 0. The next one, this one we don't have y, so you got number 0. First the derivative of y with respect to y, so we have number 1. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. This one we have negative number 4 over y squared. So we have this one and this one. We put f of x and f of y equals to number 0. That means this one and this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one go to the right, this one go to the right. So we have 2x equals to number 2 over s squared. This one we have number 1 equals to number 4 over y squared. So s squared I will put on the left, and we divide both sides by number 2. Y squared I will put on the left, and we have number 4. About this one, we have s equals to number 1. About this one, we will have two solutions of y. That is about y equal to number 2 and y equals to negative number 2. So in this situation, we have two solutions. That is about 1 number 2 and number 1 negative number 2. And now we go to the second one. That is about determinant. So we need to find about second derivative. Second derivative, that means we need to do first derivative f of x with respect to x. That is from here. So if we do second derivative, this one we have number 1, so we have number 2. This one in here, that is about 1 over s squared. So if we do first the derivative of 1 over s squared, we have negative number 2 over s to the power of 3. So negative with negative, we have positive. And then we have another number 2. So 2 with number 2, we have number 4. Now, the second. This one, that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one, we have number 8 over y to the power of 3. And we have fsy. So this one, we don't have y. So you got number 0 in here. Now we need to use this one and put back to this one in here. So we have like this. Now, if d is greater than number 0 and fss, that's about second derivative, is greater than number 0, so this point in here, that is about relative minimum. So if this greater than number 0 and this one smaller than number 0, this is about relative maximum. And if the smaller than number 0, that is about the shadow point. So we can apply the formula in here. So we have 2 points. Now we put number 1 s equal to number 1 gone here, number 2 gone here, and we have d equals to number 6, and this one is greater than number 0, and we put the value go to second derivative. So we put number 1 gone here, and we have number 6 is greater than number 0. So this point in here, we see that greater than number 0. So this is about relative minimum. Now let's go to one negative number 2. So if we put this one gone here, we have d equals to negative number 6 smaller than number 0. So number 1 negative number 2, that is about shadow point. This is the end. Thank you for watching.